Hi everyone, just a quick little video today. I just wanted to let you know that this month I am participating in the Marie Curie Crochet Everyday Challenge. I'm doing this to fundraise for nurses to be able to take care of people living with terminal illnesses. I have set up a Just Giving page that you can donate to if you would like. The money goes directly to the charity and I will be posting updates on the Just Giving page. I will leave a link to it in the description, but you can also use this QR code. If you would like to follow me along this journey this next month, then I am happy to let you know I'll be regularly updating my Instagram, TikTok, and of course I will be posting videos here on YouTube of the stuff that I make. If you do know any patterns, then let me know, or if you have any ideas of things that I can make, please do let me know and I will probably give them a go. A month is quite a long time considering I'll be doing crochet every day. I will not be setting a minimum target or a limit or anything. I'm just gonna, as long as I do some crochet every day for this month, that is okay. No pressure on myself to crochet a whole sweater in one go, for example. That's not reasonable at all, and I don't want to burn out. And if there are any days that I don't crochet, I will be making a donation of my own on those days. Thank you so much for watching. I will of course leave my Just Giving page link in the description, as well as my social media for you to have a look at if you want to keep track of my progress. If you would like to see more crochet videos for the time being, I would definitely recommend this video, where it was the start of my journey. It was the first thing I ever made, so you could go check that out if you want, or you can have a look at this video where I show you some crochet patterns along with some other DIYs I would like to try in the next year or so.